Alright, so I got the lights on, but that one doesn't turn on even though it's connected. That one does. Both the back ones are on. And this pops up. Now, if I turn that signal on, it goes way fast. That one works. And now it's working, it's just going fast. These cables are the ones for the side markers that I was using on the previous Bushwackers flat flares for the LEDs, but I no longer need them, so I don't know if this might be the problem. But now it turns on, but it's just going super fast. And if I take off the signal, the arrow just stays pointing over there. And it's not on. So it's only on when the signal's on and it's going way fast. And the other side works perfectly. So if anyone has some input, that would be very appreciated.